Once the JSON is imported, the system would enable the data validation link. Here, the system has performed 3 different checks and it has presented the state report to you. The first check is whether trial balance tallies. By clicking the report, you can view the detailed closing balance breakup group wise. If there is any difference, the difference amount would be shown over here. How to handle trial balance differences will be dealt with in a separate video. In this case, it is matching exactly, so we can close and proceed. The second check is whether there is any end of day negative cash balance. In this case, again, there is none. If there were any, the system would show up failed status over here. And by clicking view report, you can get a detailed list of those dates where there is end of day negative cash balance. The third check is OB verification, wherein the system compares the previous year closing balance of a ledger with the current year opening balance of the same ledger. And it presents the difference amount in the last column. Opening balance verification will be performed only when you have already the previous year data in the system. When you're loading data for the first year for a client, the system will not be in a position to perform this validation. Coming to this list, you can see that there are some genuine mismatches as in the case of this ledger, where the previous year closing balance is not matching the current year opening balance. There are also a few cases where some ledgers were present only in the previous year and a few others which got introduced in the current year. So if you take some of these examples, you can see that these are the case of renaming of ledgers. The ledgers got renamed from the previous year tally backup to the current year tally backup. And these are not really OB discrepancies. These are outliers which need to be removed from this list, which you can do by selecting the ledgers and clicking link select. Whatever we just did, the system can also do, which it can when you click on auto link ledgers. So here the system has identified candidates for linking. For example, this and this have previous year closing balance matching with the current year opening balance of the other ledgers. So likewise for all these 3 cases, all you need to do is review this list, select all and link selected. Now you have the list of genuine opening balance discrepancies to work upon. Once you have reviewed the data validation report, the system presents a default approval status by checking whether there are any discrepancies or not. But if you would like to override it and proceed, you can always select approve, submit and proceed. Thanks for watching.